Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I teach you relative topology. Before teaching, I am interested to say that if you like my class and my video, please subscribe my channel. What is relative topology? At first, let x tau be a topological space x tau, and y is the subset of x such that y not equal to 5. Y not equal to 5. Y can be made to topological space. How? If G belongs to tau be arbitrary, then G intersection Y is the subset of Y. G intersection Y is the subset of Y. Define U is equal to Z intersection Y where Z belongs to tau. We claim U is a topology on S. This topology is relative topology. U is a topology on Y. Now we have to prove that this is a topology. First, to show phi belongs to U. If G belongs to tau, then G meet Y belongs to U. If phi belongs to tau, phi belongs to Y belongs to U, that is phi meet Y means phi belongs to U. So it's a condition in topology. Number 2, Y belongs to U. If X belongs to tau, this implies X intersection Y belongs to U. X intersection Y is equal to Y. Y belongs to U. Okay? Y belongs to U. To show A belongs to U, B belongs to U, then A meet belongs to U. You have to show. Let's see. Let A intersection be equal to phi, then it is trivial to see that A intersection B belongs to U. If A intersection B not equal to phi, then A not equal to phi, B not equal to phi. A not equal to phi, B not equal to phi. A belongs to U, B belongs to U. There exists G1, G2 belongs to tau such that A is equal to G1 meet Y. Okay, G1 meet Y and B equal to G2 meet Y. If G1, G2 belongs to tau, then G1 intersection G2 belongs to tau, then G1 intersection G2 intersection Y belongs to tau. As because this is my condition, then if G belongs to tau, then G intersection Y belongs to Y. Okay, so this belongs to tau, this belongs to tau. Okay, now from this set theory you can write G1 intersection Y intersection G2 intersection Y belongs to U. So this is A, this is B. So A intersection B belongs to U. So you have to prove that A belongs to U, B belongs to U, then A meet B, A intersection B belongs to U, which I prove here. Okay. In either case, A belongs to A, B belongs to U. This implies A intersection B belongs to U. Now to prove A alpha belongs to U, alpha belongs to tau index set, then union A alpha, alpha belongs to tau belongs to U. Now A belongs to U. For all alpha belongs to tau, there exists G alpha belongs to tau such that for all alpha belongs to delta such that A alpha is equal to G alpha meet Y, intersection Y. G alpha belongs to tau for all alpha belongs to tau, union G alpha, alpha belongs to tau, then their union intersection Y belongs to U, that is the condition of U. Now alpha belongs to delta, then the union of this belongs to U for alpha belongs to tau, union A alpha U, so A alpha belongs to U. Thus A alpha belongs to U for alpha belongs to delta, U union alpha belongs to delta, A alpha belongs to U. The above facts lead to conclusion that U is a topology on Y. This topology U is called the relative topology. Okay. So if X tau be a topological space and Y belongs to X such that Y can be made into a topological space, if G belongs to tau, then G meet intersection Y is the subset of Y, then union is equal to G intersection Y for all G belongs to tau. Then this tau is the relative topology. So you have to prove that U phi belongs to U, which I prove here. Then you have to prove that AB belongs to U, then A intersection B belongs to U, which I prove here. And if A alpha belongs to U for all alpha, then union A alpha belongs to U, which I also prove. So all the condition of topology satisfied. So U is a topology which is called the relative topology. Okay, thank you.